So here we are in the Fall Guys lobby. This is the same people who made
Fortnite
and
Fortnite.
I'm pretty sure how this game works. Say what? Well, you know, I was checking my analytics the other day and my video views are actually going down. To understand the full picture, we have to go back. I used to make gaming videos. I realize now, to even make money to live, I need to go back to my original roots. Ramp roots, as I call them. Gamer roots. So that's why, in this video, we're going to be playing Fall Guys. So here we are in the Fall Guys lobby. This is the same people who made
Fortnite
and
Fortnite.
I'm pretty sure how this game works. I think we go into a spaceship. Yep, there we are, and going into the spaceship. And there's one of us, like, among the crowd that's not, like, they're not, like, one of us. And they try and kill people while we try and do tasks around the spaceship. It looks like they're populating. I don't know what that means. I might get demonetized for that. Alright, show will start in 2, 1 seconds. Here we go. Fall Guys. 3, 2, 1. Okay. This looks straight out of Wreck-It Ralph. Apparently, we have to get to the finish line before everybody else. This is really a Squid Games type-esque here. Yep, and here we go. DoorDash. I'm pretty sure that's what Ryan Trahan uses to deliver his food so he can get money. Oh, there we are. That's us right there. You see that pink guy? Alright, and we're off to the races here. Oh, shoot. That one's fake. Oh my god, this is like cake or fake. This is so Weezer right now. Oh, it's that one. Go, 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 go. Oh my gosh, we're one of the first ones in. I never thought I'd get to this point. This is insane. I have to take the headset off. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's so crazy. Round over. Yeah, we're just chilling in this box here. This is like the box from the Emoji Movie. Alright, what's this now? Here we go. Now, we can't hit into those burgers, otherwise... whoa, I'm jumping right at it. This is such a Fall Guys moment. Ah, shoot. Well, you know what they say. What comes around goes around. Am I right? Or am I right? People are already at the finish line? What the heck is this? Oh! I got the power up. Oh! I didn't even hit any of the burgers. This is how we do it back in, you know, this is how we did it back in the 60s. So, come on, you. Get off of here, chicken lover. Oh, shoot. Guys, oh no! Oh my god! We died! No! We got so far on our first game. This video is sponsored by Audible. Audible is a free online platform that my friend Jeff Bezos made. And subscribe to the platform and listen to over 1,000 new audiobooks, including my very own. This is my first book. It's called LeBron James, and I'll read you an excerpt from it over some nice cinematic, relaxing footage.
LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James. LeBron James, LeBron James,
Go to www.audible.com/yourmom to enjoy 15% off my new book.
LeBron James.
Alright, back to the video. That's it, I'm not quitting. I'm going back to where I belong. Playing Fall Guys. Yeah, some people play hard to get. I play Fall Guys.
Tall guy, beard, twins, purple hoser.
Rampanella YouTube channel.
In overtime. Tall guy, beard, twins, purple hoser. Now
Rampanella YouTube channel.
I'm on to